I'm fixing. What are you doing under there? Go ahead, use your hammer. Fixing a table?
I'm playing cardio.
Yeah, what's Tyler doing?
He's fixing.
He is?
That's what I told him to do.
What's under there?
Hey.
Yeah, you were fixing the table, Tyler? Thanks. Careful, you don't hit Carson in the head. Carson, move your head if you don't want to get hit. Carson, move your head if you don't want to get hit. Wow.
He doesn't know how to hammer.
I don't know. I think he's fixing something under there.
He's so close.
What are you fixing, Tyler? Hmm? You done?
Hammering.
Now you got to get down this side now.
Daddy, can you make this really tight lock? Can you make this tight?
You done?
No.
No, not yet.
Daddy, please do it. Dad won't get angry. We don't need this.
It is tight. What do you need, buddy? It is tight. There. You done, baby T? No? More? Wow. Must be a lot to fix under that table.
Let me have one.
No, let him go. He's using it. There you guys both fix it. Wow. Okay, looks good to me. Looks fixed to me.
Now it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're fixing the car. We're fixing the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have our board.
Yeah.
Measure.
You measure, do some measuring. Mm-hmm. Now you know what to cut.
20 big.
20 big. Now you know what to cut. Yeah. Watch your head, baby T. Looks pretty good.
No,
Looks pretty sturdy. Looks pretty good, buddy.
no, it's a lot of work to fix this car.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to give it a lot of wheels.
Yeah.
It's the real car. It's a lot of work to do this one spilling oil.
It is. It's spilling oil, huh? Leaking oil.
Yeah.
Really?
And it's spilling mud.
Wow. I think it's done. Good job, guys. Good job.